guys, welcome back to A Pinch of Patience. We took a little bit of a break there for the holidays, but it is the start of January and we're ready to jump back in. I wanted to just take a quick moment and thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching, for putting up with all of my filming quirks and my super long over-explained videos. I just really appreciate it. When I decided to start a YouTube tutorial channel a little bit over a month ago, I had no clue what I was getting into. There was a huge learning curve with the filming and trying to get everything all organized, but it really is something that I've been enjoying. It's been a great hobby. So I also want these videos to be useful and helpful. So I wanted to give a shout out to a couple people real quick. Stephen and Kate Melhouse, Candace Westberg, Alicia Apple, Josie Cias, and Jennifer Vandervenner. Those people either shared my videos in social media or mentioned my videos in their social media. This really warms my heart when I have people contact me and saying like, hey, that recipe was so super helpful, we loved it, it was fun with the kids, or what have you. That's really why I'm here, just to put out recipes that are useful and helpful to you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed. That is just so super helpful and means so much to me. It's something that you can do for free, just clicking that subscribe button. You don't have to pay any money, but it's just a way for you to show your support and to show that you are liking the content that's being put out on this channel. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And let's get into our recipe for this week. Alright guys, it's January. January is the month that is notorious for everyone going crazy with all their health goals. People want to eat better, they want to sleep more, they want to drink more water, they want to exercise more consistently. And those are awesome things. I'm the same way. When January 1st rolls around, I have my list of things that I want to accomplish for the year. And I love it. I think that it's great. I love that God gave us a calendar with seasons and just a time to reset. So, but with all of that, this is a baking channel, so I didn't think it would be a very good idea to do like a cupcake tutorial or cookies or pie in the month of January, since everyone has all these health goals and is trying to eat better, right? So for the month of January, I thought it would be helpful just to put out some healthier recipe options for you guys, and hopefully these will help you with your health goals as well. Now with that said, I am in no way a health coach or a nutritionalist. I am just a baker trying to make some healthier options here. So you'll want to check with if you're on a certain diet and make sure that these recipes fit in with whatever diet that you're trying out right now. But these are just going to be some healthier options for you for the new year, and hopefully that will help you out with your New Year's resolution. So today we're gonna make granola. Now this is my grandmother's recipe. She, I think still to this day, makes it and just keeps some of it in her house at all times. My mom makes it and keeps it on hand. It's great to have just eaten like instead of cereal, just with cold milk, or you can cook it and eat it almost like a fancy oatmeal, but it's really super yummy, and I love that it's customizable. You can add a couple different things in it to suit your taste. Now I'm going to show you here this granola recipe. Alright, so here are some of the ingredients that you want to have on hand. You'll need 4 cups of rolled oats. Oats are really great because they're high in fiber. They can help lower cholesterol, which is great for heart health. They can improve blood sugar control, and it also is very filling, which can help you lose weight because you feel fuller longer and aren't as apt to snack halfway through the day. You also need 2 cups of coconut. Coconut can help improve immunity and has some other health benefits as well. Bran flakes, you'll need 1 cup of those. Bran flakes are high in antioxidants and they can help support healthy digestion. You'll need 1/3 cup of honey. Honey is great in any recipe because it's an alternative to white sugar. It's a natural sweetener. If you have local honey, that's even better because it can help with allergies, seasonal allergies and things like that, but any old honey from the store is just fine. It can also help lower blood pressure and lower triglycerides, so honey is awesome. You'll need 1 cup of almonds, either slivered like this or sliced almonds are great. Almonds are a very healthy fat. They've got fiber, they're a good source of protein, and they have magnesium and vitamin E in it. So almonds are a really great food to add to your diet. You'll need 1/3 cup of olive oil. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats. So it's an anti-inflammatory, so it's going to help fight osteoporosis, help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. So olive oil is a great healthy fat to add to your diet. And then we'll need 2 teaspoons, of vanilla. That's just for extra flavoring. And then just an assortment of whatever type of dried fruits you prefer. So this can be mixed and matched. You can use raisins, dried dates. Here's some dried blueberries that we have, some banana chips, dried cranberries, and each of these have their own health benefits as well. Some other ideas would be apricots, prunes, dried pears, really just any type of fruit that you like to add in your granola. Alrighty, so you want to get a nice big bowl, and then we're going to add our 4 cups of oatmeal, and 1 cup of wheat flakes, 1 cup of almonds, and 2 cups of coconut. I am just going to add a pinch of salt. The recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of salt, but we're trying to do a little bit healthier for those of you who are trying to watch your salt. So I'm just going to add a couple pinches just for taste here. So you'll just want to toss all these dry ingredients together in your bowl. Make sure that they're mixed really well. Alright, so in a separate bowl, we're going to mix our 3 wet ingredients. So our honey, olive oil, and vanilla extract. So the vanilla, the olive oil, and the honey. And the olive oil is really just going to add a nice crispness to your granola because we're going to bake this in the oven. And the honey is obviously for sweetener. And of course the vanilla is just for some extra flavor. Okay. So you want to mix all these wet ingredients together first. And the oil will separate everything out into bubbles. That's totally okay. So it's kind of together. And then we're going to drizzle this wet mixture onto our dry and then mix it all up. So there's not a lot of wet here, so you want to don't dump it all in one place. Kind of try to spread it out, and that will help you as you're mixing. So you'll want a nice big baking sheet. I actually just got this one from my aunt. She mailed it to me. It was a great surprise, so thank you so much, Aunt Leela. This is a huge baking sheet, so this is going to be perfect for making lots of granola all at once. So you'll want to get your baking sheet, and then we're just going to take this whole mixture and just spread it all out on the sheet so that we can kind of roast it in the oven for a little bit. Alright, so this is what your baking pan should look like. Everything's spread out, and you'll want your oven preheated to 350 degrees, and then we're going to check it every 6 minutes. So set your timer for 6 minutes and then stir the granola and pop it back in again for 6 minutes, and do that until it's browned to your liking. The coconut will brown very fast. We are literally just toasting this, toasting the coconut and almonds together, so you don't want it to burn. So check it every 6 minutes and take it out when it looks like it is done. Alright, so when your granola comes out of the oven, it should look like this, just a really loose, almost like a cereal. You'll have occasional clusters in here that happened with the honey, but for the most part it's just going to be really loose. If you're someone who likes toasted coconut type things, this has got, you know, your coconut that's all toasted and your toasted almonds, so it is delicious. I've been snacking on it while I've been waiting for it to cool off here. It's really pretty good. Once your granola has completely cooled, which should only take just a couple minutes, then you can go ahead and add your dried fruit of choice. I think for this batch I'm going to do blueberries and banana chips. Now the regular banana chips I thought would be a little bit too big, so I went ahead and just broke them up by hand. So all you got to do is just scatter them on and mix them up. I love that this is so customizable. You can literally add any fruit. I think in my next batch I'm going to do raisins or the dried cranberries because that would be really yummy. If you're wanting to be super healthy, you could add some nutritional yeast, chia seeds, or flaxseed just for that added nutrition. But this right here is already going to be way better for you than just a regular sugar cereal. Once everything is mixed up, you can store your granola in an airtight container on your counter for about 2 months. Hope you guys enjoyed that homemade granola tutorial. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down at the bottom. I'm really looking forward to packing this in my kids' school lunches. I think they'd really enjoy it. Even just dry in a little container that they can just eat during snack time. I think that'd be a great idea. So I would love to have some more ideas for fillers. If you guys have different ideas of dried fruit or maybe something else that we could add to this just for different varieties of granola, go ahead and pop those in the comment section below. That way everyone can get these ideas. So if you have an idea or maybe something that we've already mentioned like the banana chips, raisins, cranberries, maybe if it's something we've already mentioned but you're like, I like that one, that's my favorite, tell us in the comment section below and we can have a lot of fun sharing ideas for granola. So really appreciate you guys and we'll see you guys back next week.